Hello guys, my name is KB. Please subscribe to SRC TV for amazing news in Ghana, KNUST and everywhere around the world. Bye. SRC TV. Uye.
This is silent noise.
Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name still remains Alexander Nyakun, but you can also call me SRC, right? In fact, guys, you guys are doing very great. The subscription keeps rising, and I'm grateful you guys are loving. Oh, Charlie, come on. See, guys, you know the background noise. Just ignore it and let's flow, okay? So today I'll be doing two things, right? I'll first talk about the recent real theft that happened, and then I'll also talk to you about a new punishment that a particular society have come up with. They say I'm check on fire and got a bema to Charlie is crazy, and I'm going to show you that video since most of you don't really know about that particular issue. But let's start with the real theft. So recently, or just 2 days ago, there was a trending video that showed the manner at which a group of people actually dismantled or disintegrated a row, right? You can't row a offer trainer, they're not train fasten. Yes, a group of guys actually went to, dismantle them and then actually loaded them on a truck to transport them to Tema. And Charlie, this type of business here, so in fact there is this trending video. Let's look at this trending video.
Yeah, kwalabu babia muchada de ni dru ya no. E wona mi twa sende ono. Me call me dru babia muchadru ya na. Me frel. Me ko anyi na ma twa. Babia ini na mni na ma twa da de ni na. Kwalabu ma twa da de ni na. Babia uhu camera na ni me kwan da ni na ma twa da de no. Me de ko akusi babia mucha sie na no. A kire da de no ma yini sa no. Kwalabu da de no. Yeah. And Friday ni there. Babia me twa kire we akusi no. Amba ba to aso o na twa to aso akọ. Ntene mo nya mo be ba be operation. Kwalabu mo nya we ba be mo twa free e ko si e no. Ono mo na mi twa kire mo no. Kwalabu e na mi twa kire we. Mi nye lose. No mo twa dru ye. Ba be mo twa dru ye na anu ni. Ba be mo twa dru ye na anu ni bridge ni su ni. Ba be mo twa da de.
Ina yese ejuma be na ekoso o mai mu. It said that the no hwa omo try acho omo try no 50 Friday.
I was all like, ow.
Rough.
No. Hano mchadru ye kwalabu. Tena ma ba bi twato aso. Tumunya wa monster team. Monster team kwalabu. Ayano mchada de ni dru you. Tena ma ba bi twato aso. Na ma ba bi twada de na to aso a. Di kwalabu monster team. Na ma ba be operation. In the agro, the Micha in our Babicha, and the Micha in our Babicha, and the Calabo Munya, and I'm a baby operation, in our Babicha. Now they will win our Babicha in there. The Munya ward, Calabo Munya ward.
Yeah, into the video now, to say operation almost started almost Friday. No, we try and pay the video no to say the guy was actually trying to let us know say they will come back and continue the operation. So this video was actually trending, right? And there's also another video to this. Let's look at that also.
Trainer there now, a final Abohoka say wo yes train be ba so no ana onyonkwo so atwitwa train ade no saa na de ma cargo amode kwatama enie
So yes, when you look at this particular video, you could see that indeed these people, they started the operation for a very long time. Now they've been picked up by the Ghana Police Services, and they've actually released some tweets online, and I'm going to read them. Let me read some of the tweets they've actually showed. Okay, so police arrest 2 people in connection with viral video on some alleged stolen rail tracks and steel sleepers. The suspects, Ibrahim John and Bashiru Ibrahim, there's Ibrahim Square, were arrested while transporting the said items to Ferro Fabric Limited. To Ferro Fabric Limited yard in Tema. Now, according to the suspects, their company has been contracted by the Ministry of Road Development to cut the exhibit items to Tema. Now, officials of the company who were not met at the premises of the company have been asked to report to the police tomorrow morning to assist the investigation. So it means the police know them go to the company, but as they catch the scate pie, they don't meet the people. They don't meet the people for there. So contact has also been made with the Ministry of Railway Development, and officials of the ministry are expected to report to the police tomorrow, 2nd May 2023, to support the investigation. Meanwhile, 3 DAF tracks, so the number plates are there, which were being used to convey the items, have been impounded and parked at the National Police Training School due to the size of the tracks while the investigation continues. So yes, currently as we speak, investigation is still going on, and in fact this particular road theft is actually something that in fact this is my first time seeing it, and Charlie is very weird. Now also somewhere in Ghana also there is a situation at hand, right? So there is this criminal that was actually caught by a society, and they decided that, see, we won't send you to the police station, we want to mob you, but what we'll let you do first, you are going to dig a pit and you are going to clear all the gutters. So see, look at this particular trending video that was going on.
So see how the children for your money be obi enu obebo obi amukron for bio. See how in the area me ho obana so baba fa de ho no ma na obebo kro no a ye chiwa asempetia ye be me we gutters e wo ina se wentumi na wo bra ade san ya wodan special do be kwa kotum e yo nyankopon pa anapa no aba betua so ye be mo aye djuma for 3 months ansa ijao e bi ni ya chi ni yo kwa be na ebre
Chese kwa banana e me ni gata sa for 3 months wo bra ya wodan bi ma wo be kwa sheda ni. And this particular thing also hit the internet, and it was going very well. But there are some funny comments I'm going to read under this particular video that was trending on Twitter. So this tweet is from Anopa Gobe. Anopa Gobe.
Job 4 verse 1. Also come do.
Anopa Gobe. I swear, them makoladi, them grab you, you die cry, you be okay. We abochi say I swear like Anopa Gobe abochi. Hey, and then this tweet also is from Leo Kulu. He says 3 months here, someday you know, and can make them beat me. He say, hey, this guy, I feel that this guy like your man really tired. Because look at the guy's facial expression. Look at his facial expression. But I don't know really. In fact, I don't even know the cause of what he's told. But actually, and in fact, this is a typical, issue of civil discipline, right? As against, the normal rule or norm that where you go to police station, etc. And in fact, looking at this particular 2 issues that I just raised are actually trending styles that I brought to your attention. Guys, stay tuned for more. I'll be back.